Welcome to my channel. Nighthawk AC2600 Dual Band Wi-Fi Router Black Setup. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the router. Connect your modem to the router's Internet/Yellow port using an Ethernet cable. Connect your computer or mobile to the router. Via Wi-Fi, use the SSID and password printed on the back of the router. Or via LAN cable for stable setup. Open a web browser, Chrome/Edge. In the address bar, type www.routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1. Default login details, username, admin password. After logging in, the NETGEAR Genie/Setup wizard will open. It will auto-detect your internet connection. Enter ISP details if required, dynamic IP, static, or PPPoE. Change your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Set names for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Go to Advanced Administration Router Update. Thanks for watching.